welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. So for my transition shade, I'm taking this brown beige color and I'm just working that into my crease area. And I'm just using a plain fluffy brush. I do not know the brand of this brush, but that is what I'm using. I'm just picking up some more product and doing the exact same thing to the other eye. And my eyebrows I did off camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial. If you would want to watch that, then refer to my last video, or I'll put the link in the description box. And I'm just continuing to blend that out. Now I'm taking these two shades, which are darker, and I'm just working that into my crease as well with the same brush. And I'm just going to blend that out as much as possible, and I'm doing the exact same thing to the other eye. And also putting that product on the outer corner of my lid, because we are going to do a soft semi half cut crease. Again, just blend it out as much as you can. Now I'm taking this other brown shade. It's more of a reddish, burnt brown color. And I'm just putting that in the outer corners to deepen it up. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 220, and I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just going to cut my crease. And I don't want it too sharp or defined, so I'm not doing it really perfect. I'm just really using this to make the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply pop a little bit more. This is a soft glam look for everyday wear, so we're not gonna really cut the crease. More so just using this as a base. Now I'm taking this rose gold shimmery color and I'm just picking that up with that same brush, and I'm just packing that onto my inner half of my eye. And I'm taking that same blending brush and I'm just going to blend that out. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. Now I'm taking this Milani Illuminizing Primer and I'm just going to prime my face. My face is already moisturized, and yeah. If you want your makeup to last, you have to prime your face. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 330, and I'm just taking a blending brush, a damp beauty blender, and I'm just blending that out into my skin. And I know it doesn't look like it's my skin color on camera, but it is. It'll come together when I conceal and contour. I don't like to put too much foundation on my forehead because I feel like it makes it look really ashy. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer, the same one in the color 220, and I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, on my chin a little bit, and on my Cupid's bow. I normally do highlight on my nose, but I decided not to in this video. I'm taking that same sponge and I'm just going to blend all that concealer out. And you don't want to wait with this concealer because it dries down super fast. You have to work really quickly with this concealer. And I'm just looking up to make sure that we get in between all those creases so that we don't get any creasing. And I like to bring it above my lip and also onto the sides of my nose because it helps me contour. And I have my window open if you guys can hear people talking. Now I'm taking this stiffling foundation brush and I'm just going to further blend all of that product into each other so that we don't have any harsh lines because that is not cute. So we're just gonna blend, go back with the beauty blender up under our eye, make sure we get those creases gone. I'm gonna take this airspun powder in the color translucent and I'm going to press this into my skin first and then I like to bake afterwards. So you see me pressing it all into my skin and then I'm gonna pick some more up later and set that underneath my eyes. I don't really like to bake too much, but if I do, it will not be for a long period of time. Some people bake throughout their whole makeup process and I just cannot. It makes me look super ashy. But I'm pretty much just setting everywhere where I put concealer. Even though I didn't put any on the bridge of my nose, I am gonna set that because I get super oily on my nose. And I think I do put some on my forehead as well because I get oily there too. But this is where I am baking. And I still, at the same time, push more of it into my skin than just let it sit there. Now I'm taking this True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I'm taking these two shades, and I'm just going to contour my face using this angled contour brush, and I'm not sure which one this is either, but I'm just carving out my cheekbones, my jawline, and my forehead. I don't know what it is, but my forehead looks extremely big. I normally do wear frontals, and I took my frontal off, and I guess because you wear like a bug. pretty much it for the highlight. I'm going to spray my face again. Same spray. Now I'm lining my lips with the Revlon lip liner in the color chocolate. And I know it looks reddish, but it said chocolate, but it is kind of red. Now I'm taking this Sephora nude lipstick and I'm just pressing that into my lips. And I'm taking this CoverGirl nude gloss and putting that on top. Then I'm going to take some Beauty Supply lip gloss, and it's the NK kind, and I'm going to put that on top of everything. And I forgot to do my mascara on camera, but I did do it off camera, and I think I used the Milani Bigger Lash mascara. Is in the pink one, the pink tube. Now I have it on, and I'm just taking that brush, since I did spray more setting spray, and I'm just pressing everything in, singing, acting a fool. And this is basically the finished look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss